of the best things that you can do in the kitchen to go green is to reduce the amount of single-use plastic products that you're bringing into the home. So things like freezer bags. Instead of freezer bags, I want you to use stasher bags. These bags are made from silicone. They last forever. They're super durable, so easy to clean, and they store basically everything. So sandwiches, fruits, vegetables, they close up really, really nicely. And what I love is not only do they go in the fridge, but they also go in the freezer. The next amazing product is this beeswax wrap from Abigo. These work in the same way as the skin on your fruits and vegetables. So if you have half an avocado left over, you're gonna wrap it in this amazing product, Canadian made by the way also, and you're going to put it in the fridge, and the beeswax actually helps your food to last longer. So one of the best things that you can do in the kitchen is to reduce the amount of plastic that you use and consume. So when you go to the grocery store, I want you to always carry your own reusable bag. I also want you to ditch those little disposable plastic bags that you see around all the produce sections and pick little canvas bags up like this. Take these to the store with you. The good thing is these are also going to help your food last longer. So you're doing two wonderful things. Number one, you're reducing the amount of plastic you're bringing into your home, and you're also diverting the amount of plastic that's heading to the landfill. Two good things. The kitchen is, of course, the heart of the home, but it's also one of the messiest and sometimes really hard to keep clean. But those conventional cleaners that you're using contain chemicals that off-gas into the atmosphere and create volatile organic compounds. Basically, those are the building blocks of smog and add to indoor air pollution. So one of the best ways to clear the air in your home is to actually make your own cleaning products. Super easy, super effective, and cheap, which is one of the most important things about going green. So Cleaning Essentials is a company that has done all the hard work for you. There's 5 fabulous recipes on here that you follow. One for the tile, one for wood, one for the bathroom, one for glass, and then of course one for the kitchen. And you're literally going to follow the recipe right on the bottle. So you start with a little bit of alcohol, no vodka if you know what I'm talking about. Then you're going to add essential oils. I recommend either lavender or tea tree. Then you're going to add vinegar, baking soda, and then fill it to the top with water, and voila, a perfectly all-natural cleaning product for your kitchen. You see, it is easy being green, especially in the kitchen, one of the most important rooms to start.